Welcome to my channel CarRoute360. Today I bring you an exclusive look at the stunning 2026 Volkswagen RWB Edition, a car that combines heritage, modern performance, and luxury styling in one powerful package. From the very first glance, this machine makes a bold statement. The front design is wide, aggressive, and low to the ground, with sleek LED headlights and a sculpted bumper that gives it a muscular stance. The RWB kit makes the car stand out even more, with flared fenders and sharp aerodynamic elements that signal pure performance. The signature Volkswagen badge sits proudly on the hood, while the large air intakes promise power and cooling efficiency. Moving around to the rear, the 2026 Volkswagen RWB carries on the aggressive styling with a wide diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and a clean, minimal tail design. The taillights are sharp and modern, blending seamlessly with the body lines, and the spoiler adds both style and function by improving downforce at higher speeds. The RWB branding across the front and back completes the performance-inspired identity of this machine. Every angle of this car reflects a perfect balance between sporty character and luxury refinement. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused interior. The steering wheel carries the RWB touch, while the dashboard is dominated by a large digital display with Volkswagen's latest technology integration. High-quality materials cover every surface, from the leather-trimmed seats to the metallic accents on the center console. The infotainment system is crisp, responsive, and packed with smart features, while the cabin layout ensures everything is within easy reach of the driver. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for sportiness. The seats are supportive, ensuring that whether you're on a long road trip or carving through corners, you'll feel at ease. The 2026 Volkswagen RWB Edition isn't just about looks. It's about presence, style, and performance working together to create something extraordinary. It represents the spirit of innovation and passion for driving that my channel CarRoute360 is all about. If you're someone who loves bold cars, unique designs, and modern technology, then this machine will definitely capture your heart.